Hello everybody, my name is BDFOH and welcome to a brand new LEGO Technic build. Today product 42203's tipping dump truck from January 2025. A set I wasn't sure that I wanted to buy due to the price to piece ratio, but I like the look of it. I thought why not, let's get it. Here comes the tipping dump truck. Now I do have a feeling that this set's actually bigger than it lets on to be. The set comes in at 462 pieces across 151 steps. That's an average of 3 pieces per section for the tipping dump truck, coming in at £40, brand new, sealed and unopened from Smith's Toy Superstores in pristine condition. And looking around the box, you can see the tipping dump truck driving around. Is it a quarry? Is it a big dirt path? An excavator and a truck in the background. Is he down the mine? On the top, a side view of the dump truck with a 1-to-1 of a tyre and wheel. On the right hand side, there's nothing. On the left hand side, there's another side view. On the underneath is legal stuff. And on the back we do have some turning and tipping features, including the doors that can open and close, and a big image of the tipper truck with its big tipper open. There's a nice looking set. Look forward to building it. Let's open the box, get to the contents, and get to today's build. So here then's everything for LEGO product 42203, Technic's tipping dump truck, including eco bag 1, 2, 3, and 4, 4 tyres, 2 long loose pieces, a sticker sheet with 11 numbered stickers, and our instruction sheet. 1. Here's everything for our first bag, including loose parts and 2 mini bags. Two. Here's everything for bag 2 of the build with loose parts and 2 more mini bags. 3. Here's everything for bag 3 with loose parts and 1 mini bag. 4. Here's everything for our 4th and final bag of today's build with loose parts, wheels and a couple of tyres, and 1 mini bag. It is a full and complete build for LEGO product 42203 Technic's tipping dump truck, and I'm pleasantly surprised by the size of it, the simplicity of it, and how nicely it comes together. It took about an hour and 25 minutes to build. Very simple indeed. I love it from start to finish. The blue and grey is very nice indeed. Lovely wheels, lovely stickers. Everything went on very nicely for this. It's actually very simple. It doesn't look like a difficult build, and it isn't. Trust me, this is like one of the easiest Technics I've built, especially for this scale. 460 odd pieces. Good size set. Different features are plenty. As you can see, we have got the tipper that lifts up. Takes this bloody merry time. You can see there's a very long time, and it's shaking the vehicle around. We also have the doors that open up very nicely as well, and the turning feature via the cog at the top. 3 different moving features on this set. Very nice for the price. As you'd expect, like I said, it all sits together very nicely, very smoothly, and very easily. Across all 4 bags, we've accumulated 13 spares for the tipping dump trucks. That's 404. It's now the lot of 462 on the dump truck. You may use these 13 to customize your tipper as you so wish. That's going to be it for today's build. As always, leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Would you burn or build a set? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Is it for you? Let me know how you feel about it. I'm assuming there's going to be a lot of MSCs coming for the set. If there aren't already, MSCs are plenty for the set. It's a good lot of pieces. A very nice colour indeed. With that said, I've been BDFOA team. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Take care.